Today we're going to overclock this AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. It has 8 cores and 16 threads on the Zen 2 architecture, a 65W TDP on TSMC's 7nm process, and its base clock is 3.6 GHz with max turbo according to AMD at 4.4 GHz, but we've never seen it go so high, even with aggressive PBO settings. So today let's attempt a manual overclock. There are many things to consider when overclocking Zen processors. Of course, with any overclocking, the motherboard plays a big role in the clocks you can achieve. We'll use here an Asus TUF X570 Plus Wi-Fi. It's a mid-end X570 board with 4 true phases, but each phase is made out of 3 power stages and inductors. So simply put, it's a fat 4-phase and it will behave like so. Next, memory speed affects CPU performance a lot with all Zen processors, as certain cores communicate over the Infinity Fabric, also known as the FCLK, whose speed is directly tied to the memory. It's best to keep this Infinity Fabric speed at a 1:1 ratio with the true memory speed, so 1800 MHz for a 3600 MHz memory kit, since it's double data rate DDR, so you divide by 2. Some CPUs can get this up to 1900 MHz, but most top out at around 1800 to 1866. Decoupling the memory speed from the IF is possible for extreme memory overclocks, but it drastically lowers performance, and especially for normal people. Then there's the problem of heat density. Although the official TDP is only 65 watts and it doesn't go above 88 watts even under max turbo, these CPUs are hot because TSMC's 7nm process is quite dense, meaning a lot of heat is concentrated in a very small area. So even though the TDP is quite low, a beefy cooler is necessary, so we'll use a Noctua NHD15S, a high-end air cooler for our testing. For other things, we'll use 2x8GB of Samsung B die for nice RAM performance, connect up an SSD, and plug everything into an 850W power supply. Let's get started.